In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Setmore account, whether you're looking to switch to a different platform or simply cut down on the number of accounts you're managing. This quick guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth process. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Setmore website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Setmore website, then log into your account as you usually would. Once logged in, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen and locate your profile area. This is where all your settings and account details are housed. Clicking on your profile will bring up a drop-down where you'll find several options relating to your account. Now, you'll need to pay attention to the upper right corner again. There should be a plus sign visible. This is generally used for accessing more options and features within the Setmore platform. So go ahead and click on that plus sign. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Account. This is where you'll be able to make changes, including starting the process to delete your account. After you've clicked on Manage Your Account, you'll see an option to delete your account. Choosing Delete Account will take you a step closer to removing your Setmore account entirely. But don't worry, you're not locking yourself into this decision immediately. There are further confirmations required to ensure this is really what you want to do. The next thing you'll do is click on Continue Deleting. It's important to remember that this button is just a gateway to more confirmations, so you still have a chance to change your mind if you're hesitant. Now here's a part where Setmore might ask for some feedback. You'll need to provide some details about why you're choosing to leave their platform. It's usually helpful for them to gather information on user experiences, and it helps them improve their services. Once you've filled that out, go ahead and click on Continue Deleting once more. As you progress, you'll be prompted to type in a verification code. This is a security measure to ensure it's really you making this request. Check your email inbox, perhaps even your spam or junk folder if you can't find it right away, and enter that code back on the Setmore page. Finally, after entering your code, click Continue Deleting once again to confirm your decision to permanently delete your Setmore account. And there you have it. You've successfully walked through the entire process. So that's it, folks. Deleting your Setmore account doesn't have to be complicated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any other questions or need tips on similar tasks, be sure to let me know.